Hello viewers and welcome to Silicon India's 7th edition of Bangalore Real Estate Award 2020, the annual award that honors and recognizes the best projects and builders from across Bangalore. This year, we have taken our event virtual and are pleased to bring the 10 projects that made to their list this year. Our next winner is Prime One Corp. Located at the well-established micro markets of Kanakapura Road, the project is jointly designed by an architect from the US and one from the Bangalore. We congratulate Prime One Corp on winning the coveted award and would like to hear from them how they feel about winning this award.
What makes Centrio by Prime One Corp and Anesan Estates such a unique project? Please highlight some of the unique features of Centrio.
Centrio is a premium apartment project in a well-established micro-market of Kanakapura Road, a market that has projects from all the major developers in Bangalore, is unique in more ways than one. Located just 215 meters from the Vajarahalli metro station, one can live in a home of international standard in Centrio. The premium residential project, which has been jointly designed by a renowned architect in the US and one of Bangalore's top architects, has innovative floor plans with much higher furnishable, usable space. Our premium finishes akin to more expensive projects, polished Kota stone flooring in all rooms, Schneider Unica switches, marble flooring and imported fixtures in bathrooms are additions. In just under 2.8 acres of development, Centrio provides synthetic turf tennis court, full-sized and separate badminton, volleyball, basketball courts, cricket pitch, expansive kids play area, elders park and a stunning amphitheater. The rooftop is spectacular in our project with a sky lounge with waterfall, an infinity swimming pool and the clubhouse that consists of a gym, steam and sauna, party hall, library, yoga and indoor games rooms.
How do you feel being one of the winners of Silicon India 10 Most Promising Builders and Developers in Bangalore? How winning this coveted award will help you to strengthen your brand?
It is indeed an honor to be awarded the top 10 most promising builders and developers in Bangalore by Silicon India. This award is a culmination of concentrated efforts towards building a brand that has a single-minded focus on delivering projects based on international standards. While our existing customers are very much aware of the superior design and quality of our projects, this award from Silicon India will go a long way in consolidating Prime One Corp's status as the brand that is setting new benchmarks in the real estate industry.
I congratulate all the winners who have made to the list and wish them very best for their upcoming projects too. Silicon India is pleased and honored to screen and award such projects to help our readers in finding their dream home. We wish everyone best of luck.